Also, folks, let's talk about this case out of Florida. Nobody's going to be punished for this disturbing death of a prison inmate who died after being locked into a scalding shower for 2 hours in South Florida. Folks, we would like to warn you, some may find the following video disturbing. This is video of the Day Correctional Institution in South Florida in June 2012. You can see guards walking Darren Rainey, a 50-year-old with schizophrenia, inside a shower. They then turned the water on scalding hot and left him there for 2 hours. The Miami Herald reports guards found Rainey dead in 3 inches of water. His skin had begun to peel off and some of it was floating next to him. You can then see guards carry Rainey's body downstairs and put him on a gurney. For 2 years, law enforcement officials looked into Rainey's death but uncovered no evidence of wrongdoing. Last week, the Miami-Dade state's attorney called Rainey's death an accident and cleared the 4 guards. Milton Grimes, the attorney representing the Rainey family, told the Associated Press, this is not justice for Darren, for his family, nor for the mentally ill who have been subject to similar abuse and mistreatment.
That is just, it's beyond angering. I mean, how can you have this happen and they call it an accident? That is not an accident.
And literally said, well, there was some other causes to his death. I'm sorry. And then they said, well, we don't have evidence and the temperature was 180 degrees.
See, this is exactly why you
leave a man there for 2 hours?
I know. And they put him in there. They locked him in there. He was crying for help, and they ignored him for 2 hours. This is exactly what we mean by Black Lives Matter, and this is exactly why there still needs to be a push towards letting the public know. We can't just sit here and say, another death, let's just move on. It's time to really hold people accountable.
This is what white folks don't understand, why black folks are so agitated at the police and law enforcement. Issues like this, and where are these white folks of goodwill? Yeah. Where is the governor of Florida? Has he made a comment about this?
Well, no, he's protecting this state's attorney, but he removed the sister from the case out of Orlando when she said she's not going to prosecute any more cases with the death penalty. Oh, he replaced her, but has said nothing about this DA, Wilmer.
This is what Colin Kaepernick took a knee for.
Yeah.
And this is why Colin Kaepernick is now not signed as an NFL quarterback. And these are the types of things that Donald Trump, somebody in his circle needs to try. Well, the CBC is going to meet with him. These are the types of things that he needs to come to understand.
A peaceful protest turned deadly. 37-year-old black man was shot and killed by Baton Rouge police. His hands are in the air, and you still get shot by the cops.
Oh my God, please don't tell me he's dead.
We're not gonna let hate define us.
Race is a big part of this.
If truly all lives matter, then all lives need to matter equally.
What we require is action. What we require is accountability. We understand that black lives do matter, and we will keep focused on this issue.
NewsOne Now, every weekday morning at 7 on TV1.